Guys, another pristine classic diamond rolling out of the New England Motorcycle Museum, going up for sale. This is a 73 Honda CL450 Scrambler, the double overhead cam model. And this has been given, it's a low mileage original with 7,242 miles with mint original cycle parts on it. That's been given a comprehensive frame up, cosmetic and mechanical restoration. This bike's 53 years old. It looks, rides, and runs and presents as a brand new motorcycle. Starting at the front of the bike, you can see it has a brand new tire mounted on the original rim, which was completely restored, dismantled, polished, and the spokes were replaced. The hub was vapor honed. All the aluminum was polished. The brakes were completely redone with a new brake cable, new brakes, and complete restoration of the brake system. The forks are restored with polished lowers, new fork boots, new seals. The original front fender is in spectacular condition. That was beautifully rechromed. The headlight mounts, originals, are in really good condition, as is original headlight. The gauges present like brand new condition. Usually after 50 years, they're all faded and cracked and bugs in them, and these are absolutely pristine. This bike was never ridden off-road or abused. It was in a private collection in Michigan for many moons. You can see it has new cables on it. The original chrome bars are mint. The original switch housings are mint. The grips are like new. The fuel tank presents as brand new in this brilliant new paint job with the original factory warning decal replaced and restored. The gas cap presents in brand new condition. The tank literally looks in new condition, as does the cap. The badges are in new condition. The seat cover is brand new reupholstered seat cover. The side cover has been beautifully restored, as have the side badges. The rear fender is in showroom brand new condition, as are the turn signals, the brake light. Everything works beautifully, electric or kickstart. It's got a brand new battery. The tank's been redone inside and out. The fuel cock's new. The fuel lines are new. The carbs are completely rebuilt and restored, tuned to the nines with the original air box and intake intact with new air filters, new battery, new plugs, new plug wires. Valves are adjusted. The oil is brand new. The engine runs like brand new, sounds like brand new, has plenty of torque and horsepower. The clutch and transmission work beautifully. You can see the engine covers have been beautifully polished. The shifter is in brand new condition, as is the pegs. The kickstand beautifully restored with a new spring. Same thing with the center stand. Frame's beautifully repainted. The engine cases are in mint shape, as are the entire engine. All the aluminum is beautifully polished. All the gaskets and seals, and you can see it's really as close to a brand new motorcycle as you'll find anywhere on a 53-year-old bike. Bikes like this are highly collectible, highly desirable, and they're bringing big money these days. Mecum comps show two of these have sold for the same amount of money in the last year, $16,500 for ones that aren't. We looked at the Mecum comps. We don't think they were as nice as this one, and quite a few have sold in the 10,000 plus range. Think about it. It's going to be 100-hour shop labor to restore one like this at 150 bucks an hour and thousands in parts. So you couldn't duplicate this on yours for less than that. That's why they bring this much money. People that collect these understand the value of a beautifully restored classic. This one, being a low mile original with all original cycle parts, brings it to the next level. It's really the highest, most desirable example you could find. They also made a custom paint version of this that sold 3 of them on Mecum. 2 of them sold for $38,500, and it was called the Flying Dragon. It had this real psychedelic paint job on it. One sold for $58,500. So you don't have to be a math major to see that these vintage classic Hondas are going up in value. A typical Craigslist, Facebook bike that doesn't run and needs a restoration will probably sell in the $1,500 to $3,500 range, and to turn that into this would take you years, and if you paid a shop, probably more than the $16,500 that 2 recent ones sold for. It costs a lot to do the chrome, the paint, the rebuilding, the parts. It adds up. So that's where the value is. The value in a classic like this is 100% contingent on the condition. So if you've got a Facebook turd that needs resto, chin up, because they're bringing big money, but you got a long road ahead of you to turn it into this. So this one's done. It's perfect. It's ready to go. It runs perfect. It sounds and looks perfect. And we'll give it a quick detail. It's going into the museum, and it's going up on eBay auction if it's not sold before then from Instagram or Facebook posts we're putting up. So if you're interested in it, give us a call. This one won't be around for long. We've restored a lot of CLs over the years. If you punch in CL450 and my last name on YouTube, you'll see a bunch of them we've done, or CL350. So very familiar with these. I'm confident that this one is one of the best we've ever had. Thanks for watching. God bless America. What's happening, fellas? Hey, my media guy just printed this off today, and much to my dismay, 83% of the people watching the channel are not subscribed, only 16.7. And we also got over a dozen emails from subscribers saying they were magically unsubscribed from the channel. So we're not sure how that's happening, but do me a favor, just check and see if you are subscribed. It's a button right down there. Just hit the subscribe button. It's very easy to do. You don't have to fill anything out. Just hit the button. Maybe you hit it inadvertently with your finger and unsubscribe, but it helps us grow the channel. I promise to you, you guys subscribe, I'll keep giving you the best free content on classic motorcycles I can possibly come up with. I spent the last 15 years of my life doing this 364.5 days a year. And that's all I ask. It's free, and it would help us grow the channel. So we got a deal. You guys subscribe, and I'll keep pumping out the great content for you. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.